All right, this is the DC motor potentiometer control. My name is Steve Street, and I'm going to be walking you through how I did this project. So, let's set my phone up in a good position. All right, so right now I have my motor on. So let me get these wires out of the way. I should get extra points for learning how to solder to fix my motor. So if I turn it to the left, or I guess in this case it would be right, probably. Yeah. Right, we have no, this is right. Right, we have a clockwise motion. So let's slow it down a little bit. Yeah, we got a clockwise motion. And then left, we go counterclockwise. And we can change the speeds, and it can switch directions with ease. And then when I click the button, it does nothing. Click it again. There we go. Nice. Yeah. All right, so there's the demo. That's my circuit, set up nice and neat. And I'm gonna go run through the code real fast. So, what I did here first is that I went through and I added this Boolean new switch state back into my, from my button toggle, I added this into the DC motor potentiometer code. So I have the new switch state set as low. So if we go down here, I want the new switch state to be equal to the digital read of the joystick button. So that's gonna be taking inputs from the clicking that I do here, and it's gonna read that. So if the new switch state is equal to the low, I want activate to be not equal to the activate, because I don't want it to run. But that basically just switches it to whatever I need it to be. So it starts out as low, it'll go to high. If I click it again, it'll go from high to low. So that just basically, it's kind of confusing of how it works, but basically what it's doing is just switching it to what I need it to be with the button pressing. So if we say, if activate is equal to true, if that button is high, we go here and we say intensity is equal to joystick Y. So that's reading the inputs from me going left and right from the button. And then we go to here, and you basically had to guess on the direction 1 and direction 2 to figure out which way. I just got lucky and I did it right the first time. But I guess it wouldn't matter if you like switched up the way your joystick was, and just kind of lied on the video, but it's whatever. We go here and I say, all right, if the intensity from the joystick, so from me pushing it and enabling it, if it's greater than 600, yeah, let's see, where are we at? Oh yeah, if it's greater than 600, we're gonna have it spin forward. So we have direction 1 is high, so it'll spin this way. Right? Oh wait, no, it's clockwise. So we want it to spin this way. And then direction 2 is low, which is off. So we won't have that spinning at all. All right, and we go down here to the else if it's less than 400, we want it to spin counterclockwise. So we set direction 2 high, direction 1 low. And then if it's in between or equal to 400 and 600, I had it set so it doesn't move at all. So I have both of them set to low and the analog right is equal to 0. And I'll run through the serial print stuff as I'm going, but this is basically the deactivated state. It's all low. Basically same as what we did up here, but it's down here. And this else corresponds with the if up above with the button switch toggle. All these else ifs are in regard to if it's activated. So let's do a serial monitor. All right. Oh, let me get the timestamp off. There we go. All right, so we're sitting at 506 right now. See, we're going forward. See, it's pinging it. Let's see if I can get them both in the screen. It'll ping it And then if I go back, it'll ping it backwards, which is what I want, backwards. I don't really know which like way I'm supposed to be holding this. So I'm assuming that is backwards. Yeah, that's what we want. Left is backwards. Yes. And then right is forward. And then if I hold it there, it's off, it's reading off. And then if I click it, it'll say deactivated. Here we go with deactivated again. And yeah, that's, oh, let me get that off my computer. Don't want that to damage. Let's see. If the joystick goes to the left, the intensity is below. We want backwards. So here, let's go left. We're clicking left. Backwards, cool. Go right. Clicking forwards. Cool. Awesome. So I think that's pretty much all I needed to show for this. I got my serial monitor working. I showed my circuit. I showed it working. And you know what? Let me just show it again for kicks and giggles. It's a pretty fun lab. Let me just set it up my phone so I can do this hands-free. Yeah, I should get extra credit points for soldering my motor because that was pretty cool. Yep, there we go. Clicking it, click it, bam. Does not work. Click it again, there we go. And yeah, that's the motor.